Ladies and gentlemen, can I please have your attention? I've just been handed an urgent and horrifying news story. And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. You got a smile on your face and you're ready for a new vlog. Right now I'm actually in the car with Larry. Joe is actually MIA. We had to drop him off at a bar or something.
Yeah, we just pushed his ass out of the car. He was pissing us off. We said, get out.
Yeah, literally. It was a fun time though. We had in Wildwood. I almost said Seaside. Damn. So while we were there, guys, I got a few phone calls. No caller ID. I'm like, what the fuck? And then there's this person saying their name's Jim and that they are gonna leak my number. I'm like, what the is going on? And Larry was like right next to me. He saw me, like he saw how nervous I was about this. Because I'll tell you guys this from experience in the past. Once it's out there, it absolutely freaking sucks. I mean, you can't get shit done at all. Like for me, it's important because I need it for my regular job and all this, and it was just chaos last time. So I get a text message from one of my friends shortly after saying, yo, I may have accidentally given your number to a friend. I'm like, oh, great. So I call this person, and they're like, yo, bro, just letting you know, like, I'm only joking. A certain YouTuber that Larry and I both happen to know very well decided on his live stream to do prank phone calls and say I'm leaking numbers and all this stuff. And then, well, I go onto Twitter. Guys, is where it begins. Your number is leaked, and it just keeps going up and up and up and up and up and up. And literally, it just keeps going up. Oh, hey, shout out John right there, Haggerty Vlogs. And I'm like, Jesus Christ. I'm sorry, guys, I use the Lord's name in vain. But at the same time, I'm like, what the hell is going on? So my one friend is like, yo, dude, here's the source. Here's what's going on. Let's just say Jesse decided to, in his live stream, pretend to give out my number and prank call me. And it absolutely sucked. It got my heart going. It really made me paranoid, and Larry would even vouch there. He even saw like how paranoid I became at that moment.
He was really paranoid.
Yeah, I couldn't even like eat my ice cream. Larry thankfully bought me. So that happened. I'm like, oh great. Now I've been thinking, because he's still live streaming, I'm really only going to be around the block from him. I gotta get payback, because payback is a bitch. Really, it really is. So with that being said, guys, I don't know what's going to go on yet. We still got some driving to do. Maybe we'll watch his stream, react a little bit to it, and start plotting revenge.
Somebody said prank call Swift. That's not bad. I could do that. Alright. Hold on. Let me get to the safe zone. I'll prank call Swift.
Hello?
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 Is this Swift?
No.
Are you on YouTube?
No.
Is this your number?
No. My name's Jack.
This sounds like you. I'm gonna leak your number.
Who is this?
Jim.
Who?
Jim!
Jim who?
I'm gonna leak your number.
Hello?
I'm gonna leak your number. Shout me out.
Taking damage, guys.
Oh my god. Yo, he hung up. He's so scared. Oh no. Dude, he's so scared now. He's like, fuck. He's like, fuck. My phone's leaked. Shit. Yo, start tweeting to Swift. Be like, yo, dude, your number just got leaked. Your number just got leaked. So tweet to Swift that. He's gonna be freaking the fuck out. Ultimate pranks. Real pranks. Alright, let me text Swift here. Bro, somebody is posting your number in Twitch chat. Just blocked them.
Guys, look who's still live streaming. It's 10:45 p.m. I'm only like 2 minutes around the corner, so I'm gonna go raid him for fun. Knock.
Sarcastic, I'm adding you in here. You got a profile pic?
Let's just type that.
Add writers. Give me your story fire names. If you do not add, alright, man, Codman, I'm adding you.
Let's see. I just typed knock knock. Let's see what everybody says.
If you don't have Storyfire, download it on the App Store. My name is just Connor.
Okay, cool. They're getting ready to do a story fire, which means, guys, let's get there right now. I'm gonna be listening to the stream. Guys, it is 10:48. Literally just was vlogging, but I got the stream right now playing through on my car, and we're just pulling into his driveway. Is his gate open? Yeah, it is good. Let's just kind of drive through.
Because when we were in Ocean City, I had Juliet in the bed too. Get a little frisky.
Sure you were, dude. Sure.
No, but I'm serious though.
Let's see.
Cool, Cole. Thanks for saying I'm the tits, man. I appreciate that.
Let's come on up
Juggy,
over
where you
here.
at? Remember, waiting for you. You just gotta select my invite, enter the story, and just wait.
Oh shit. This light just went on.
Break been so far. It's been fun. The last few days have been a lot of fun. Today.
Alright, you know what, guys? Right now, as you guys can see, he's still streaming right now, so we're gonna close out the app. And now we're gonna just go inside and confront him on this whole entire thing. So let's go. We're gonna go look through his window real quick. I can't really see. I can hear him now. He's in there. Why are my lights still on? Shut off. Damn it. Alright guys, we're literally sneaking into his house. His lights on, but he's not in his room. Let's fix the gorilla pod before we go in. Just so it's good. There's nobody's inside. Yo, who do you think you're doing? Yo, why'd you pretend you leaked my number before?
Dude?
Yeah,
What are you doing?
I was hanging out with Larry and you
So you
decided.
just walk into my house?
Yeah.
And you got the camera? I'm not, dude. This is more like interview part 2.
Yeah. Well, no. Actually, I want to know why. What?
We're not on that level where you can just come in and.
No, of course we are.
You went the last time you were in here. I was leaving half naked.
Yeah, well, I was watching your stream.
Were you hoping that was... Oh.
I tuned into your stream because a certain person told me it was you that kind of gave out my number to pretend that... You want to see all the tweets I was getting, dude?
I have no idea what you're talking about. I can't believe you're...
Yeah.
Guys, I'm sorry about this. I was not expecting...
Hey, what's up? What's up, Juggies? How you guys doing?
Everybody's just saying go away, so...
Well, tell them priorities at the moment.
Are you seriously?
Yeah, well, look, seriously, look, dude, your number just got leaked. Try getting there after your phone keeps going off.
Did your number get leaked?
Really? You're playing this right now?
What?
Here, I'll show you a text I got from a friend. A friend texted me. No, not your friend. He said, might have given a fan your number.
You have Yeg's number?
It wasn't Yeg's. Okay, maybe it was.
So what?
Told you, thank God you didn't drop my name. Well, you just dropped it.
Yeg, I'm gonna...
Yeah. So you can thank Yeg's for that.
They said the stream put me up to Truth or Dare, so I called you.
Dude, you could have easily downloaded an app called Truth or Dare.
Whatever.
Literally, look here. I even have it on my phone.
Why are you in my house right now, dude? That's the real thing.
My app asked me Truth or Dare, and it dared me to come to your house. See? Look. Let's go easy.
Well, I'm on my app.
Dare.
Sorry, fire stuff. Go off.
What was the worst day of your life? Was literally the question I just
Worst
got.
day of my life is right now when Swift came into my bedroom uninvited with a camera.
Ah, shit. Well, no, I just want you to know that wasn't
Did
a
my
cool
girl
prank.
voice turn you on?
That was Girl voice, but your name's Jim?
He hesitated. He loved it.
What?
Oh, I did say it was Jim. Oh,
Yes.
I went for a little girl and turned into a little boy because I knew you liked those better.
Well, no. Whoa. I gotta.
Wait.
What, you're trying to do the Mikey Manson just dab?
Did Mikey Manson invent the dab?
No, but that's all he does.
Right,
Shit,
dude, I
well.
gotta get back to streaming. I can't believe you're in here right now.
Well,
Guys,
you
sorry,
know-
but I can't, like...
Guys, can we just get some hype from me right now?
Alright, do Eagle hype, just not for Swift, but just for...
What?
For Storyfire right now.
Oh, wait, you're actually playing that right now?
Yeah, we're doing a Walking Dead Storyfire.
Was that the notification I just got? Yeah, McJuggerNuggets has a story going live now. Yo, so I'm gonna go just like tune in.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
And like when your line comes across, I'm just gonna vote. Back door is unlocked and the gate was open.
Guys, don't ever come to my fucking house because...
Do you want me to lock it on the way out?
Get the fuck out.
God bless.
Mute the mic. I'm gonna turn that camera off.
Well, guys, he literally followed me to the door just to make sure I would leave. What? Can I just like
Turn
stay
on
here?
the pop on the vlog just to get one last shot. Are you serious?
Yeah. Do you mind if I just camp right here in those chairs for tonight? Or...
Guys, I'm not an asshole, but literally this gingerbread man shows up to my fucking house.
Okay. Fuck you. Have a good night.
Keep it rich, bro.
Yep. Jesus Christ, guys. Oh, damn it. Well, I guess that will solve that factor. I kind of, ruined his Storyfire game that he was doing, but that's okay because it's Storyfire. You can always start a new game itself. But I just felt like I had to just come and mess with his stream for literally messing with me and my number. Cause that guys, it really kept me paranoid. But with that being said, guys, I hope you guys have a fantastic night or, excuse me, day. My mom is still thankfully in Florida. Literally, I just left Larry's house, so it's still the same day as my last video. But it's nice knowing she's not going to be home for a few days. At least I can relax. Maybe I can go hang out with Daria or something. But I don't have her to kind of worry about, just making me stress about things in life and situations. So I don't know. I'm just sorry, guys. I kind of just got lost with the birds and the bugs. I guess crickets or something making those noises. It just made me feel less stressed for the moment. Like I could literally go pitch a tent in the woods. I've done that before. Now, alright, guys. Well, the outdoors kind of calmed me down a little bit. But I hope you guys have a fantastic night. Like I said before, remember to stay positive. Until next time, it's been your boy Jeff or Swift UAV, keeping it real. I'm gonna log out. Peace out, and I'm gonna go all the way back to Central Jersey. So, peace. Oh, by the way, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and also check out all my social media above. Yeah, so, like, peace now.